Alright, today it's an easy job, but for whoever want to know how to change the motors for this chillers, it's a good video you could watch from A to Z. First of all, you want to cut this unit. It's two systems, system 1 and system 2. So the problem, that motor failed in system 2. You want to make sure you shut down the disconnect, and then you lock this. You put a lock. I just shut it down. I'm gonna go grab a lock and lock it. System 1 could run fine. Status. See, compressor running for system 1. System 2 is water servicing for single phase input volts. Because the disconnect is off, it's showing an error code, but it's not an error, it's because it's off. Anyway, let me go grab a lock and come back. Alright, so I got the key, the lock. What you do, you see this yellow, you just pull back. You just pull it back like this. It was like this, see? You pull it back and you stick the lock in one of those holes. Come on now. Lock. And you're like, now nobody could turn on the unit while you're working. Alright, let's go up in the unit on top and start doing it. Alright, what you do, you see there is a cage on top of it. You just take the cage by removing those screws all the way around. When you take that off, which is right here for this one, there is a bolt right in the middle. Just like that. You just take that off. With the fittings that it has, you just set it to the side. You could really pull this easy, but this one is stuck because it overheats. I don't know if you can hear this bearing fail. I'm shaking it. Yeah, it starts hitting the sides and stops. So we need to take that blade off by that puller. Let me set it and I'll get back. Okay, I set the puller. And now I'm using my drill. Oh, my battery is dead? No! Okay, it's off. Alright. Easy as that. Remember, there's a pin. They give you a new one with a new motor, which is, I'll show you which one I'm talking about. It's right here. It's this guy. They give you a new one. I would use this one because it's not damaged or anything. Yeah, you could reuse this one, but be careful not to lose this one just in case. Sometimes you buy a new motor and it's returned for some reason, and whoever returned it lost that one. It's good to keep this one. Let me go grab the. Oh no, I have it. It's a 1/2 inch. I'll take those two rings, what holds this motor, cut the zip ties so I can pull the motor outside and disconnect the wire from behind the motor. I'll show you that. I'll show you how. You don't need to wire knot anything or cut the wire. You don't do that. Let me take this off and I will get back to you. Alright, take the nuts. I'm going to show you a way to take this off of that, to pull that out of this. Why? You can't keep really those. The motor is loose, yes, but you can't take it off because of the plug. You see that plug is gonna start hitting those two, and it's gonna bother you going through it to take that motor out. So if you want to take this off, just set it almost like an inch off this guy, this rod and then bring your plier or whatever, just pull. That's it, it's out. Here's the first one. And now you just sew it. Oh, come on now. So now this guy's out. Same thing with the other one. Just see what I mean? Now you could just cut the zip ties and pull that guy out of there. All right, the motor is out, sitting right here. Now you remember this is 3-phase, so in case you don't want to mix or flip the polarity for this, those wires has numbers. You see, like this one, 2157, that's 56, 2158, and this one 2159. So 57, 58, 59. I'm gonna write them down here and then just write the color that they are connected to. I'll show you. I'm gonna open this guy with a flat head. Just this. I'll get back to you. Okay, hey, I got the plate out. Now you pull a little bit just to see what color is it. Like for example, this white one, if you look at the number, that's 2158. White is 2158. Red one 57, the red one, or pink. Yeah, that's 2157 right there. That's the pink one, and the blue one is the 59. 2159. That's the blue one. So you write it down: 2157 pink, 2158 white, 2159 is blue. So you don't mix the polarity, and it's easy. You just unplug that, unscrew this. This easy to unscrew. Unscrew that one. Unplug those, take the wires off, bring the new motor, fish the wires through, put them to like every polarity goes to, I mean every number goes to its place. The new motor should has the same number, same colors. The new ones, I believe the white one is not there. There is a black. So that's the only difference. You will see pink or red and blue, but the white, I think it's gonna be black in the new one. We'll see with the new one what's gonna be, but that's how it goes. Let me unplug those. I'll get back. After I unplug them, I forget to say something about the ground. The ground was just in the corner right there. It's a flat head. You just take it off and make sure it doesn't drop. Yeah, just skewer it, take that down, bring the new motor. All right, here's the new one. You see, that's what I'm talking about. They have it here. That's good. I could just take it off, set it to the side. Yeah, so let's take that plate and see what colors they have. All right, luckily they have the same color, but keep in mind sometimes the white one they replace it with a black one. Yeah, don't freak out, but the pink and blue, it stays the same. Sometimes they have a black one. Let's take that off. put back the wires like how it was, remember, and then I'll get back. Okay, I put the wires back. Now time to put this big boy back in there. Alright, after you put it on, remember, secure it with zip ties, and then now we're gonna put those rings back on. Alright, quick info. This, when you tighten it, remember, when you tighten this two together, this side will bend over and the other side will bend over. Keep tightening until this like barely even touching or like 1/16 of an inch away from the motor. That's enough. But if it's touching, it's fine, but don't go extra, because the more you bend, the more this will be pushing into the motor. So stop when it's start touching the motor. Just stop for both of them. This is tight enough. It's not going nowhere. Let's put this guy now. Where is? Here it is. Blade is in. I just double checked that the pin is at its place. You can't see it, but it's in there, which is right there. Oh man, working with one hand. I needed this. In, we double check with the wrench if I can find it. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's double check it's not touching. Yeah, it's running smoothly. Put that gate back, the cover, and you're done. And then you remove your lock, turn it back on, and double check it. Keep that door. A lot of units, they don't have this, by the way. We have this because, let me show you something. See how many units? Yeah, there's 64 units over here, and those units are kind of close to each other to make sure that heat is not circulating, like turbulence goes back to the unit to suck hot air back. They raise the sides, all of them, so the air will just go up, not going down, because those 24 fans, it's a lot of vacuum, it's a lot of sucking, so heat could go back because it's a small space, no air to come and go through the condensers from the sides, from here and there, because two units, when they come, they need air, and that air will be sucking back that heat, and it will cause the units to overheat, so they raise those. So anyway, double check. I'll keep the door open and I will look at it when it comes on. And this is how you change a chiller condenser or air-cooled chiller condenser fan motor. Okay, done. Clean up after yourself, please. Please, guys, clean after yourself. Take your tools and let's test this guy. All right, let's take that guy off with one hand. Wrong key. And you go to system switches. System 1 is on. System 2 is off. So you turn it on. The unit is gonna come off now. To restart the second system. So VSD DC bus charge 3-year service. It's due to a service, you know, the yearly service. VSD DC bus is recharged. It's recharging. It's gonna come on. So compressor 1 is running. Compressor 2 is about to come. Alright, now they're kicking on. Come on. Go away. Compressor is running. Let's go take a look at that fan. Here's the old one. It rolls over. Oh my god. Ugh. Look at that. It's the third one. It's this one. Not this. So 1, 2, 3. It's that one. Yeah, with the phone, it shows like it's it's not spinning. This thing is flying. Yeah, it's running. All right, done. Thank you for watching. If you learned something, it would be appreciated if you like and subscribe. Thank you, guys.